A reality star in need is a reality star indeed. No. रियलिटी स्टार की कीमत तुम क्या जानो रमेश बाबू. Hi, I am Salwa Mubarak, human woman and undiagnosed reality superstar. When I'm not busy creating imaginary scandals in my head, I like to talk about reality shows and scandals with my friend. So I called up my best friend Akriti Kela, who I've known since the past decade, and she's as obsessed with reality TV and reality stars as I am. So let's call her up, let's see what she has to say, let's see where it goes, and let's see what happens. Hi, how are you? How's quarantine treating you?
Listen, today I'm officially starting to get sad now.
Why?
Because there's a tree outside my window. We went into quarantine first. I was looking at its leaves and they were completely yellow. And I thought I'll click a picture of it because I'm a basic bitch. And then I didn't because I forgot. And then today when I looked out of the window, they're like completely green. I just realized it's been like a long time.
So, do you have your lunch with you? What are you eating?
Yes, I'm eating Rajma Chawal.
Show me.
Are you supposed to show it like...
I can't show my food because it's on a plate and it will fall down. Interesting. Oh, I see the plate. The aerial plate is still very...
Do not judge me, a 27-year-old eating in a Disney plate. This is like my favorite plate. I always eat in this plate.
Yes, I remember it from our hostel days when we were...
Yeah.
When it was still fine to use Disney China. What am I saying? I'm literally drinking out of like a wee bear cup, but yeah. So anyway, I wanted to know what you were thinking about this Drag Race because I know you're watching it because I follow you on Twitter because I'm your friend. And so what do you think? What are your thoughts? Who are you supporting?
I like a lot of people this season.
Yeah, it's a good.
Like a lot. It's a good season. It's like I'm okay with like 4 or 5 people winning, and usually that's not been the case. Yeah. Like last year, I was really disappointed that Brooklyn didn't win.
I want to forget season 11. I don't like it that much. Because I know maybe Brooklyn and Evie, maybe Nina, they were like, it was not a good vote.
Yeah. This year, all of those challenges that they do, like the Snatch Game was so good. The Rusical was so good. वो जो Grey's Anatomy वाला किया था, I died. I think I pissed myself laughing. It's just all of it is so good. All of them.
Who are your top 5 favorites?
Top 5 तो ज़्यादा होगा. I'll tell you my top 3. I love Gigi. I do, but I also like Jan a lot. And who else do I like? Jackie Fox, of course. Jackie Fox, yeah.
I just want to tell me like about reality TV. Like, do you like reality TV in general or what?
My best friend Akriti Kela.
Like I'm asking as if I don't know. Do you like reality TV? As I'm like, I don't know your favorite show in the world is Splitsvilla. Let me rephrase that question. What is it about reality TV that you like? Let me rephrase that.
I don't like all reality TV for starters. Like I cannot tolerate Big Boss. I just cannot. Like it bugs me. The thing that I like about Splitsvilla, first of all, मेरे को थोड़ा बहुत nostalgia भी है ना because we watched Splitsvilla when we were kids, and so I've just
and it's not the fact that you live for drama.
A little bit. See, I started watching Splitsvilla because the men and women used to actually be hot. किसी ज़माने में, I think the first season when the two Varuns came, and you know, Varun and Vishal, those guys. And you know my obsession with anyone who's Varun. Yeah. So So I think since then, but it's just that it's so funny how people are so stupid on the show. Like there was this guy on one of the seasons called Rapper Maddie. I pissed myself laughing every time I saw him because he thought he's so cool. ये blonde streaks कराई हुई है, छोटा सा रैप करना शुरू कर देता है हर बात पे. And I just love what they think will, how women are impressed, and I also love the women who think they'll do certain things to impress men.
To be fair, they get impressed also. थोड़ा सा like not even sexy dance, but थोड़ा सा shimmy करेंगे and like क्या dance किया था, like you know what I mean, right? So it's like
Yeah. Also, I just love the idea that you fall in love with somebody within like a day of knowing them. Like, I've been in a
I find that
relationship for
very,
3.
I find that the worst part of like these days. Like I mean, who are they fooling? Nobody is being fooled, right? Nobody believes that they're in love. So why like why are you wasting time on all these like slow mo shots?
And people do, that's why they have these Instagram fan pages, and you have these people who like comment like crazy on all these. Like,
And what about other like reality shows?
a lot of what I watch is on television is dictated by what they like. My parents are okay with watching. So my mom watches a lot of these reality shows, like the dance one, the dance shows, the singing shows, especially if there are kids involved. Because my mom is like a Jagat Janani, show her kids and she's like, "Hi, mera bacha." So it's really irritating. So
I find it very weird when kids compete on reality shows. What are your thoughts? I don't like the idea of a kid being judged. I don't even know what they're doing. And when you're like grown up, then like at least you can. It just feels weird, like breaking someone's heart when they're like a kid and telling them they're not as talented as the other one because they don't have the capacity to understand that this like is being said in this context. Like I don't think kids do that. I think kids really like don't have that sense because they're stupid.
also there was this music ka show, गाने का show ना जिसमें Himesh Reshamya was one of the judges, and kids.
Saregama.
Yeah, the one with the kids. Oh God, kids are like so mature for their age. They sing and their expressions and they're singing like Kumar Sanu songs with like so much feels. I'm like, oh my, who are these kids? And why are they being made to sing Kumar Sanu songs?
I think with you, there's also an element of jealousy also.
Bro.
Speaking of reality TV that you are obsessed with, what do you think about Crime Petrol? Because it is a reality TV, like I feel, right? It's a reality TV of sorts. Where Anoop, what? What's his name?
Anoop Soni.
Where Anoop Soni is the only contestant.
If I had to describe myself in 3 words, I would say Crime Petrol enthusiast. I love it. I'm not even apologizing. I'm not sorry. I just love it.
Please sorry. It's like it's giving us information about like crimes and like warning us what to avoid.
You judge me, then you like Crime Petrol. Shut up, bitch. You watch Big Boss back to back, and then you watch those sneak peek episodes on the apps also. Shut up. Don't judge me.
What's your favorite episode? Favorite Crime Petrol episode?
One of the episodes that I saw like a long time ago, and I still think about it a lot, was an episode that they did on the Monkey Man. Just because, like, as a child, I think I was so terrorized. I think you probably were also when the Monkey Man thing happened.
Yeah, I was. No,
What
because
is that?
the news they said it's near my house. Like the last attack was near my house, so I was pretty freaked out. Yeah.
I was convinced that all the Monkey Man wanted to do was come and abduct me. That's why he existed. So yeah, I was very scared shitless. So and like no one knew, right? Like what happened, how, what, eh?
Do you think it was real though?
I think so. What Crime Patrol did an episode on, like I'll tell you what they showed. So they showed that there was this man who dresses up like a monkey for because he has to scare somebody shitless. Okay, basically. Yeah. And he does that, and someone sees him. So वो एक बात से दूसरी बात, like how it just keeps getting spread, and people keep just making things up and they keep imagining things because they get so scared, and it just like spreads like wildfire. And in the show they showed that they finally caught somebody. I don't know how true that is. I remember I was at my grandparents' place when this happened one day, and we were watching the news, and I think Nanu was watching Aaj Tak or something, and they had like this image of the Monkey Man who was wearing an astronaut suit that had a Pakistani flag on it because apparently he was a Pakistani agent. What the fuck? I think that is one of the episodes that left an impression on me. Not that it was a great episode, it wasn't. It was a very mediocre one. It was just that the topic was something that I was very intrigued by.
You lived through it.
Yeah, and also give me some closure. I said, oh, okay, fine. You know, it's all like made up shit.
See, that's the thing about like Crime Patrol. I watch Savdhan India, and like I watch Crime Patrol sometimes, but I mostly watch Savdhan India. I used to watch it.
Judging you.
I'm yeah, like I'm not. Yeah, I'm a basic bitch. Savdhan India, everything is black magic. Like everything is like and everything is extremely dramatized. And I refuse to believe for a second that even 1% of it is true. Sub black
Yeah.
magic kar rahe hain.
I hate when people say South Indian crime patrol the same thing. It is not.
Yeah,
There
I
is
don't think it's the same thing, but I think it's hell entertaining. Like Southern India
Yeah.
because of the black magic. Crime Patrol is very real, and I don't want to be reminded of like the reality. Like I want to be reminded of like this. कि ऐसा भी होता है life.
once I saw an episode on Southern India, okay, and the episode started. उस घर में उस family में they had a pharmaceutical factory or something, right? And so the guy who owns it, the father of the family, like whatever, he and his brother have a falling out. So उसमें उनका competition चल रहा होता है. वो illegal चीजें बना रहे होते हैं अपनी factory में. First thing that's happening. Second thing, the guy who owns like the business, the original business, his son is an apahiz. He can't move from the bed. Third thing that happens is his wife is major into tantric stuff. Okay, so she keeps taking things and throwing them at neighbor's house. Okay, and basically the episode is about their other daughter-in-law who basically has a habit of drinking blood. Okay, so I'm just like, why does everything stupid happen in your family? Please explain this to me. And the funniest thing is, she marries into that family because the apahaj bhai hota, he can't feel below, I think his like torso, he can't feel. So she injects him and takes out the blood, और उसको पता भी नहीं चलता. That's how, I know it's so sad, but also really hilarious. And then one day in her like walk-in closet, she's drinking blood, and the other sister-in-law walks in and sees her, and it was so funny because it was so obviously so. It was such fake blood, and एक ना ऐसे ला रही है, ऐसे कि what the hell? You read the news or you see Crime Patrol, and most of the cases, like most of the murders, robberies, whatever, they're all done by men. So Southern India was like, no, women too.
Women are weird.
So Southern India was like, ये औरतें चुड़ैल हैं, ये भी चुड़ैल हैं. Everyone just wants and money.
All of them want to drink blood. Yeah.
That's all that Southern India does, which is also
It's the
entertaining.
blood drinking part. We do that.
You remember when we were kids, there was this show that Ravi Kishan used to host. It was called Raaz Pichle Janam Ka.
Yes. Yes. How to erase that from my memory?
Yeah. So, first of all, who let Ravi Kishan host this show?
That is the Raz that I want.
That is the Raaz of the Pichla Janam. And I remember the most hilarious was his episode in particular.
उसने देखा समय के उतार चढ़ाव को, आज वो खुद है समय रथ पे सवार.
So once whoever the psychiatrist doctor is, who's the hypnotherapist, she comes and she hypnotizes him and she takes him back in the past life. He's supposed to be some sort of a Naga sadhu, okay? So when he comes back and he's awake, and his wife and the doctor are having this conversation, and he's like, oh, I knew it. So she's like, how do you know it? So his wife says, ये रात के बीच में उठ के नंगे नाचने लग जाते हैं. Okay. And I'm still not recovered from that.
Like, imagine the woman's relief. There is an explanation for this behavior.
Poor woman, she's married to Ravi Kishan. It's not bad enough that then she has to watch her husband do the tandav late at night. Okay? What the hell? I do like I find these stories about past, people's past lives really entertaining. It's like,
Interesting.
do you believe in like past lives?
I'd like to. As I said, I'd like to believe that world is not just like da 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 and death. But I don't necessarily believe in like, I think we are just like, we born, we get like, thrown here, and then we just like taken away.
Do you think you were in your past life if you had one?
I think I would have been like an animal. I think I would definitely have been like a cat, or like somebody who's very like, just like, yeah. If I believe. It sounds like I have a full thing ready, like, yes, I was this, I was that, but like, yeah. What about you? What were you in your past life?
I'd like to believe that I was something in the Mughal court. I would really like to believe. I don't know. I feel like something bad happened to me. Like I don't know. I got murdered by a husband and wife or
Wow.
something. Like
I know you probably were murdered by your best friend.
yeah, and that'll happen to me in this lifetime too. I just feel like something bad happened. That's it. Like I got murdered or some shit. So, like a lot of people say, no, a lot of people, I read in places too that when you have a birthmark, that's supposed to be like a place where you were injured because of your last. Do you have a birthmark?
I'm a clean slate. No, I do have a lot of moles. That's what I have.
No, I don't think moles count. But like birthmark.
Then I don't have any birthmark. I just have like,
I have one here. No, I've shown it to you.
Yeah.
It's like a black patch in the middle of my hair.
Do you remember the reason we came out, like the reason we came up with for your like past lives death?
No, I don't remember.
We had just read somewhere that nymphomaniacs have like a mark on the back of because of being like bumped against the wall of the headboard.
Wow.
I think that's what happened to you. It's a good way to die.
I think maybe got like shot in the head or something.
Sure.
Yeah, I didn't get banned.
Yeah, I think we should end this right now before it dissolves into something even weirder.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Calling you by the way.
Call me up. Call me.